A piece of the sky? Shaped like a stop sign? Not again!
Hey, son, you're right. I'm coming upstairs.
Hey, what's wrong?
Nothing.
You sure? Mm-hmm. I thought I heard you yell. No.
I fell out of bed.
Huh? How'd you get over there?
Over where?
There.
Where?
There. How'd you get over there?
Who are we talking about?
Okay, that's definitely not what I thought you were going to say.
Never mind. What's the difference? Look, the past is behind us, right? Tomorrow's going to be a new day.